Hello, Fat Guy Flies RC out here at the Avon Park Field. Going to take up the X-Fly Glaster. Just a simple little 4-channel bird, white, right, left, up, down, right, left. Nothing really fancy about this plane. Just a nice 4-channel, simple 4-channel trainer. It's got nice big pneumatic tires. And what I mean by pneumatic, that means they can be blown up. And with a typical basketball type needle. No flaps on this plane, but this little plane doesn't need it. I'm running a Lemon RX Stability Plus receiver. Here, land in the grass here. All right. See if we can't get a little better landing than that.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
Just a nice simple 4-channel plane. Yeah, I'm coming a little too high there. Let's just switch it around here. There we go. There. Nice loop. Roll. See, I'll get her a little bit of a knife edge there. Still holds my knife edge here.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Yeah. Slight little bit of isolation in the wings, but I could set my might need to set my gyro down. And the gyro that I'm running, I do have their version of safe, but right now I'm just running in the AS3X version, which is just stability, wind mitigation. So there's just maybe just a touch bit of oscillation, but I'm not worried about it. It's not bad. Nice little floater. Those big pneumatic tires are great for grass handling. This is a great beginner plane, great trainer, very stable. All right. Let's go ahead and try to give you, I'll show you a full speed pass. This is into the wind, full speed, firewalled. Okay, now here's full speed with the wind. So she's not super fast. I mean, if you're wanting to get this plane thinking, man, she's going to be a rocket ship, well, then you've got the wrong plane, because she's not a rocket ship. Very predictable. I'm just doing a nice little figure 8 here around the field, you know, just keeping her nice and happy. Landing her into the wind, which is out of the northwest right now, which I'm landing right into the wind right now. There. Trying to keep her as close as safely as I can. Yeah, I'm on those of you that are sticklers, yeah, I'm on the field. I'm on the runway, but I'm trying to show grass ops right now. We gotta get a good landing though. Gotta get a good land, doesn't have any no bounce to it, and that means I gotta have a little more throttle coming in. All right. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. All right. Sorry if the sun's in your eyes, folks. Don't mean for it to be. All right. Nice little plane there. Still got 1 minute. Let's do takeoff on the runway here, then try to land on the runway. I'm running a 2700 Hobby Star 3S. There. Yeah, that vibration when I first take off, that's just the wheels that were bouncing. So. Gonna set her up for a nice landing here. All right. Boy, folks, here it is. Well, I'm in Florida. It's June. It's going to be hot.
10, 9, 8, 7.
Oh, the English lady's talking to me.
5, 4, 3.
There we go.
1. Time.
All right, 5-minute flight. Okay. Let's see what kind of battery life we have left. What do you want to hear before you touch a plane?
Motor off.
Actually, that was a 6-minute flight. Sorry. All right, let's go back to the bench and in the shade. In the shade, man, in the shade. Motor's off. So let's go back to the shade here and see if we can't see what kind of battery life we've got left. Great little flight on a great little plane. And like I said, I'm running, and that's where I've got the Hobby Star. 2700. I got it basically half a finger's length into the firewall, but not all the way. Strapped down here. You can run a 1300. Probably a 15 to 1800 would be perfect. This is a 2700. So it's probably way too big for it. But probably, and the most common, of course, would be a 2200. Oh gosh, I still got 64%. So you're running 1800, 2200 in there. One thing to note though is on this Glass Star, it has an EC3 connector. Oh my gosh, is it tight? I mean, you put an EC3 battery in there without, I got a XC60 adapter on the end of it, but it's got an EC3 that I just keep on there. It is so tight, you'll almost rip your battery in half. So just understand that. Once you get your battery in there, you ain't got to worry about disconnecting during flight. All right, folks. Thank you so much for watching. This is Fat Guy Flies RC, and look at them squishy tires. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget, faith, family, friends, them planes. Bye-bye.